Hey guys, Mariana here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to tell you guys about jade rolling and like what is a jade roller and how do you use it. I posted this on Snapchat and Instagram stories the other day and I got so many DMs from you guys about like, what is this thing? I like this for the actual benefits of what it does to my skin, but a lot of other people like it because of the actual jade stone. So it is made of jade, and if you believe in crystals and Chinese medicine and stuff like that, you might like it for those reasons too. So jade is said to help with anxiety and fatigue, and then it also has healing powers in it. So other people like it because if you like crystals, it's like you're putting crystal energy right into your skin. People also say that jade protects against negative energy, and I don't think anyone wants negative energy, so if it does that for you too, then that's just another benefit of this little tool. So what I like to use this tool for is how it actually works on my face. And what it does is you roll this little roller over your skin, and what it does is helps with circulation of your skin, fine lines, lymphatic drainage, and I feel like after I put this on my skin, my face just feels so much more plump and bright, and it's just the craziest thing. It's like giving your face a little massage. So it's just like if you were to get a facial and they massaged it for you, that's what this tool is doing. There's a small tool on this side that you can use for underneath your eye, and the bigger tool is for your whole face. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use this on your skin. So now I have washed my face, I have no makeup on, and it's when you can use a jade roller. So what I like to do is keep my jade roller in the fridge so that it's nice and cool. So if your skin is feeling tired or puffy, it's like rolling an ice cube over your face, so it's gonna feel a lot more refreshed afterwards. So I like to apply a serum first or an oil. The one I'm applying today is True Botanicals Pure Radiance Oil. I just take a little bit of it and apply it directly to my skin. So now that I've applied a serum or oil to my skin, this is when you can use the jade roller to really help the product penetrate your skin. So the way to use this is with the big side like this, you can apply this right to your skin and roll in an upward and outward motion. And for each section that you're rolling out, you want to do that section 3 times and then move on to the next section. So I just press it down and roll up and out. And then once I've done it 3 times, I'll move up to the next section of my skin. And it feels really good when I'm rolling because it's cooling at the same time, and I really feel the oils and the product going right into my skin. And because this is cool, the other side here for my under eye, if I'm tired and my under eyes are feeling like puffy, it really helps to feel like they're kind of getting like a nice ice bath. So afterwards my skin feels really refreshed and awake. So I just repeat the same on both sides. And then you can also do your forehead also. So it feels a little funny because there's not as much like fat as the rest of your face. So you're really just rolling it right on your skull. But I feel like after I did it, my skin just felt so refreshed. It felt really hydrated, it felt really bright, and it felt like my face got an all over massage. And now I'm like, even when I'm like past like the 3 times of rolling it in the past the 2 minutes, I just find myself like still rolling out my skin because it just feels so good. This one I got on Amazon. I really like this. I will link the one that I got in the description box below so that you guys can try out jade rolling too. So if you tried it or you like it or you're interested in trying it now, leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.